Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I've been a long time since last I've been updating. I had some challenges, and hopefully things will be easier in the coming weeks. Now the last updates here is yeah, I have to make some more videos. The e-golf, my wife have been using this one for a little, and she was saying that there was coming some new noises, or what she think was new, and I was out testing it yesterday evening, and it's starting to make noises. The wheel bearing, I think, is starting to go on one, but I haven't been able to see which one. But no, it's completely new noise. It's a knocking noise when we turn the wheel on this. I think it's here. And what I can see, yeah, I get 3 fingers in between this wheel and this side. I get 3 and a lot more. This is a very simple test. Car is supposed to be standing straight now, so it's lower on this side. What I think have been happening is the spring on the left hand front is broken or ruined. I think so, because the noises when I'm turned could be the turning of the spring. So I have to jack it up and see on that one. So that's the problem here. See if I can just lift it up and see what we say. How is the spring? Yeah, the spring is broken. No problem. I know. I can see it for my own eyes. Okay. At least I know what to make videos for. Some of the next week maybe. If I can order a new spring tomorrow, maybe I get it next week. If I can't get it then for an okay price in a store closer to me. But it's broken. Okay. Then I learned something, or found out something. I had to check more on the Land Cruiser. That's the problem. I have to get new springs, at least one on this side, for the Golf. So it's okay. It's okay. This car I've been driving long, and my wife used it a little now in the winter. It's okay. It's just parts. You can't fix it. It's not a crisis. It's a lot of things who's worse than this. I have to see. Get the parts, start work. This one is finished. But I hope to be able to make more videos for you guys. Sorry I've been very little lately. But please don't give up. Please come back. Please subscribe. Please put comment. Give me some advice. Yeah, everything is welcome. Look at all the videos. It's more than 500. So go through and see if it's something you need, or someone you know maybe need. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Please put a like. Please comment.